Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and saved your work. Now act. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and land on airplane mode. If the toggle works, switch it off. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth indicators change. Once done, check the taskbar network icon. If the toggle is grayed out or won't change, don't waste time with restarts yet. Instead, move to Device Manager to control the radio directly. This bypasses the broken settings toggle and targets the actual adapter. Open Device Manager as administrator and expand network adapters. Right-click your wireless adapter, choose Disable, wait a few seconds, then Enable. This resets the radio hardware state. If the toggle is still stuck, right-click and choose Uninstall Device. Then, in Device Manager, use Action Scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver. You can also update driver and choose Search automatically. These steps reset driver and radio control, which usually resolves a settings toggle. Restart your PC to finalize driver reinstall and reset system services. Then confirm the airplane mode toggle is off in settings and that Wi-Fi works. Also inspect hardware. Toggle any physical wireless switch or press the laptop FN key combination to ensure the radio is enabled. If it still fails, run the built-in network troubleshooter and consider rolling back via system restore to a point when wireless worked. That troubleshooting tip typically recovers from driver or service corruption when other steps don't help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.